Now then, I want to integrate sine squared, and I need to remember that I can't integrate sine squared until I've used the double angle formula to replace it. So I can derive from my formula booklet using the cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B, that cos 2x is equal to cos squared x minus sine squared x. Now I want to be writing sine squared in terms of cos 2x, so I want to replace this cos squared x, which is 1 minus sine squared x. Still got this other minus sine squared, which means it's equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Now I want sine squared x, so if I rearrange it, sine squared x is going to be equal to a half of 1 minus cos 2x. So my integral becomes a half of 1 minus cos 2x between pi by 2 and pi by 4. That is going to integrate to a half of 1 integrates to x, negative cos integrates to negative sine, it is still 2x, but I need to divide by the derivative of 2x, which is 2, so it becomes a half sine 2x, and that's between pi over 2 and pi over 4. So I have a half of, substitute in pi over 2 first, pi over 2 minus a half of sine pi minus pi over 4 minus a half of sine pi over 2. And that gives me half of pi over 2 minus, now sine pi is 0, and then minus pi over 4, sine pi over 2 is 1, so that's pi over 4 minus a half, which is equal to a half of pi over 2 minus pi over 4 is pi over 4, minus minus, that's plus a half, but I've got half of that, so that's, see why I just need to make this, I want to show it's equal to 2 plus pi over 8. Okay, so we can times by the half, so we've got pi over 8 plus 1 over 4, which is the same as pi plus 2 over 8.